How you doing? How's everybody? Everybody good?
Yes, sir.
Good to see you. How you doing, sir? Hey guys, good to see y'all. All of you. How we doing today?
Good.
Well, have a seat, please. I'll sit through. Makes it easy. Oh. Hi, Doc. How you doing, sir? Good to see you. Well, we've got a monumental day, to just tell it like it is. We've got a day that is a day of exemplifying really just compassion that West Virginians have and for their fellow man. I said before that I would sign this bill if it was delivered to me. From the standpoint, it took real bravery for Michael Folk to stand up and to say, no, the people need to be heard. And he did. And lo and behold, the people did get heard. You see, I'm a real believer that if you're going to be a legislator, you can't let your religious or your racial or whatever beliefs that you have transcend beyond you. You have to first and foremost rise above that, and you've got to be a legislator first and foremost, and you've got to be a public servant. So by Michael doing that, and taking that big step, we're here today. And we're here today to show basic compassion for those that our doctors are telling us this is a pathway to help those people. I mean, how could you turn your back on that? How could you turn your back on a loved one that was really suffering, and we had a vehicle to be able to help, and we just turned our back and said, nope, we're not going to do that and everything? Well, to me, that's not listening to the wise, and it's not being charitable and caring like we ought to be. So we got some great people here today. We got Senator Richard Ojeda. I'll not pronounce that exactly right, but I got it close. And we've got Delegate Mike Pushkin, and we've got Senator Mike Wohlfeld. I'll get it straight.
Thank you.
I'm terrible. Mike Folk's not here, and we've got former delegate Mike Flanagan here. So that's really good, really good. I'm Bill Flanagan. I'm sorry, Bill. I'm the worst on names of anybody in the world. But with great pleasure, I'm going to sign this into law, and I think that all of us will feel like we're doing something good for a family out there. And at the end of the day, I've said it over and over and over. No matter what we do, there's a name attached to it, and there's a family attached to it, and we know that. And so I think we're doing good stuff. Now, they've given me 50,000 pens here, and I'm going to try to sign this slow enough that I can give you guys the pens, and maybe you'll throw them away or whatever. But I'm going to do this as officially as I possibly can. Somebody take that, and I've got four copies to sign, so hang with me, okay? Pam, now here I'm going to pass the pens down, okay? And we're going to have hopefully enough for everybody in the room. There's one. This is one. That's official, guys. Official. Wait a minute. This is I've signed with them. There you go. There you go. I haven't done all this multiple pen stuff over and over and over. Wow, better. Okay. Yeah, Brad, calm down now. I don't know, we got lots of people here.
Start passing them around.
Pass them around.
All right, then we got the horn book.
All right, that's all the pens I got. Once again, we've done something that's goodness in my book, and we don't want to do anything that's going to hurt or cause problems to worsen. But in this situation, I think the public has spoken, and we have spoken, and so now let's try to help as many people, Doc, as we possibly can. Yes, sir. Okay. Guys, I thank you, and
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
thank all of you. Appreciate it.
Way to go, guys. Good job. Good job, man. Good job. Mike, we got
Charlie? There you go.